Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I am gonna paint. It's been a while since I last painted, to be honest, on camera, but I did recently paint on a vinyl, which is this one. Look at it, it's so pretty. I made it I think a week ago or two, and I worked really hard on it. I kind of followed the Bob Ross tutorial, but I didn't really completely follow it. But today I decided on painting on, as I was saying, I decided to paint on a regular canvas over here, which I used in the past. So I put like a base layer on it so they had an even color, I guess. But yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, so let's just get started. But yeah, just so you know, I'm not making this all in my head. I have a video that I'm following right now. I'm gonna link that down below if you guys want to recreate it as well. So yeah, let's go.
Background on before that? Not exactly sure. You can see I just used basically primary colors.
If you guys didn't know already, I actually used this canvas in an old video that I had like a year ago. So I want to use it again because I didn't like it as much. Because when I made that painting, it was during a very hard time in my life, to be honest. Like, everything was just difficult for me. I was just adjusting to living in America, and also I had like a very hard week, I think, before that or something like that, like a few weeks before that, and I had like a recent burnout at that time as well. So I wanted to repurpose it because I felt like I would not enjoy seeing this once I move into my new home. I have these colors on. I have like 6 colors. I recently just got back into making art because it's currently spring break right now while I'm filming this. I just wanted to pick up a hobby again that I used to really like back then. But yeah, I just wanted to not forget the hobby, if you know what I mean. We have a guest also, Leo, right over there. He's right over there. So I've been seeing a lot of Bob Ross videos on my recommended, so I decided to watch some, and I really ended up liking them, so that's why I went back into art. Just really liked how his mindset about art is. This easel is really not sturdy. Like, I have to hold on to it sometimes. I've been spending a lot of money on stuff, art supplies, and also clothing in particular. I'm also selling. I wanted to add that I'm selling stuff because I need money. Selling cameras, film cameras, my DSLR that I used to use, also some clothes that we have that we don't need anymore. If you guys are interested, let me know down below. I'll sell it to you. Send me a DM on Instagram if you want to buy it. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing, but in this angle, based on the viewfinder, it looks kind of good. I have no idea what I'm doing. She said that she's just eyeballing it, I guess.
For the might take you more time to build it up into this cloud.
This is not looking like a cloud to me, but I'm trying to make it work. I personally think that I suck more when I'm filming and I'm like painting something. I guess I feel like I'm being watched, you know? So far it's looking like that. I don't know if it looks like clouds, to be honest, but we're digging it, kind of. I'm gonna cover this up though.
Sometimes the middle of the clouds gonna have some shadow, sometimes little lines are gonna have shadow. It's great. Oh, so now what I'm doing on the horizon, shadows tend to be, how it's hitting.
Looking from this angle looks really good, but like when you look at it from like where I'm looking at it, it looks so weird. This is how it looks on her video. This is how it looks on my video.
Again, I'm giving up fast. To work on top of when you pin your cloud, if you're pinning this with me, top right area, applying paint, so I was able to get the moon showing, putting things in equal.
So far this is how it looks like. I'm really liking it. It's just that I don't know what I'm missing. Since we're all done painting, I think it's time to sign this. What date is it? April 25th. Yay! This is the end of today's video. I'm just gonna add varnish to this later on today. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is it. This is the final piece. I think it looks pretty good from afar. But from like where I'm looking at it, it's not that great. But like from the camera, it looks pretty solid. It's just that this middle part, it has this leftover paint from the last painting that I made. I really enjoyed painting this. I'm sorry if I didn't talk as much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear what your thoughts are about my art. Be as honest and as nice as possible. Give me your best constructive criticism in my work because I really want to improve, even though it's just a hobby and stuff. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like these or like any other videos of mine, go ahead and subscribe or binge watch all of my videos from today. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope we all keep growing. Bye!
지옥 같은 밤 뒤 속에